Anybody would like to share something, or otherwise I'm going to start. Anyway, good morning to all. As we yesterday we started, actually it's a very interesting topic. We also completed the very interesting concept yesterday. That what we completed is the relation between the the relation between the uh, phase velocity and group velocity, right? Then division German experiment. So that is also to find the electron wavelength, right? We have used that experiment to find the wavelength of the electron. That's a very wonderful experiment. Division German experiment, and group velocity, phase velocity also very interesting, very important question. So in non-dispersive media, they are not equal, but non-dispersive media they are equal, which is equal to V P. Dispersive media they are they're not basically equal, which is actually phase velocity is more than the group velocity. You can see this group velocity is equal to Vp minus this, so which means Vp is more than this. This is also very important. Then we move to division German experiment for measuring the electron diffraction and measuring the wavelength of the electron. And this is experimental setup we have used to, and mainly we proved that from this experiment the electron matter waves, basically electron has a dual nature. And we also did this experiment, the German experiment, and found that at this particular angle, at this particular voltage, observe the prominent bump or kink in the graph. When you plot the graph between the current versus the voltage, we observed that, and from that we calculated the lambda wavelength 1.67. So after that, we have used the this normal Bragg equations. From that, we calculate the scattering. This is the scattering angle, right? So then after that, we just substituted to calculate the wavelength of the electron, and that was that proved that when the wavelength is there, electron, which means electron is also moving the wave. See, the meaning is whenever any particle have the wavelength, meaning what? The wavelength is what? Anybody want to share? What is the wavelength actually? Wave length undi ante enduku wave nature undi ani oka conclusion ku vacham. Do you want to share something, please? Master wave future scientists meerandaru kuda you have to think in a different manner, right? Emnana చెప్పండి, డిస్కషన్ వద్దా? we don't want to అంటే నేను ఏదో వినరా
శృంగం
అని చెప్ప ఏమన్నా నీకు అర్థమైంది? వేవ్ లెంత్ ఉంది అంటే ఏంటి, తరంగదైర్ఘ్యం ఉంది అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి?
శృంగం ద్రోణిలో మధ్య దూరం.
ఎస్, అంతే కదా, కరెక్ట్. అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? వేవ్ ఉన్నట్టే కదా. తరంగదైర్ఘ్యం ఉంది అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? ఒక వేవ్ ఉన్నట్టే కదా. సో దట్ మీన్స్ వాట్? ఎలక్ట్రాన్ కి వేవ్ లెంత్ ఉందంటే ఎలక్ట్రాన్ వేవ్ ప్యాటర్న్ ను చూపిస్తుంది అని మీనింగ్. అంటే ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఈజ్ ఎ పార్టికల్, it also have the wavelength that it also behaves like a wave. So both undante it's matter wave, right? So that was the discovery of this experiment. Ante Bragg ichinatuvanti manaku Bragg em cheppadu, just mentioned that dual nature of radiation. So particle ki rendu untayani manaku cheppadu jarigindi Bragg. So అది ప్రూవ్ చేశారు. the German experiment, they have proved experimental. Then we also discuss Heisenberg uncertainty principle, which is very important 4 marks question. It is impossible to measure the position and momentum simultaneously at the same time. Delta x delta p greater than or equal to h. అలాగే మనం we use this for the energy, time and angular momentum and displacement. 3 equations we have discussed. Then we just skip this one. We also started yesterday wave function. And I told you, right, it's a very, very important question for me. Short answer question. 100% this question will be, what are the properties of wave function? So wave function indicates the wave vector. అంటే ఒక పార్టికల్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేయాలంటే yes Parodal sir అంటే this is the psi indicate Parodal sir. Psi Parodal sir has a kind of characters and he has a like, you know, if someone like, so ఇప్పుడు నాకు సైలో కంప్లీట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఉందని మీనింగ్ అంటే when you talk about Parvatal sir అంటే okay he is did PhD from USA, postdoc from USA, so also I working in so college. So this is information containing the psi. Is it clear? And that is the meaning of psi. When I say psi square means it's a probability. Yes, I'm sure Parvatal sir is at Hayat Nagar Degree College, small energy. So that is the probability. 100% I'm sure he's working at this college. Then we also give the examples, 2 examples, and we prove that we got the probability a square plus b square. Hope it's clear, right? Is it clear, Vita? So normalization condition also we discussed. So whenever the normalization is probability density is this, right? Psi square is the probability density, right? When you integrate probability density from minus infinity to the plus infinity, and d tau is indicate dx, dy, dt. It's a volume element. Okay. So the condition from a normalization, I think you have also completed in mathematics. When you integral any function or your probability or density function, you are doing minus infinity to plus infinity, integrating over the volume element. If this is equal to 1 means 100 for normalization condition. This is the 100. You're saying that this is the probability 1. The wave function that obeys this equation is to be normalized. Okay. And moving into the, these are the properties that I mentioned yesterday. Keep in your brain. 4.4 marks. It's a finite value, single value, continuous, normalized. Can you keep in the brain now? Close eyes. It's finite value means it has some finite value, right? Single value doesn't have multiple values. It's continuous function, continuous, and it is a normalizable. Okay? Is it clear? అర్థమైందా అని చెప్ప ఫైనైట్ వాల్యూ ఉంటుంది, కొంత పరిధి వాల్యూ ఉంటుంది, సింగిల్ అంటే సింగిల్ ఒకటే ఉంటుంది, కంటిన్యూస్ అంటే ఇది కంటిన్యూస్ గా ఉంటుంది బెట. ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఎ డిస్క్రీట్ వాల్యూ అంటే బ్రేక్ గా ఉంటుంది. నార్మలైజబుల్ అండ్ కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై ద 1 లైక్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ మైనస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ ప్లస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ psi square d tau equal to 1. క్లియర్? అర్థమైంది అందరికి? కెన్ యు కీప్ ఇన్ ద చాట్ బాక్స్ yes sir, no sir, we didn't understand, please sir tell. yes sir, no నాన్న నేను అడిగి చెప్పి కూడా ఉంది నా పరిస్థితి. పర్వతాల సారు ఏమీ పని లేక క్లాసులు చెప్తున్నాడు మాకు కదా. అవునా శైలజ? సార్ ఎమ్మడి పడి మమ్మల్ని
సార్ అట్లేం లేదు సార్.
సార్ ఎమ్మడి పడి చెప్తున్నాడు. ఎందుకు సార్ 2 చాప్టర్లు చెప్తా మాకు పాస్ అవుతుంది సార్, ఎందుకు మీ వాయిస్ పోగొట్టుకుంటున్నారు? వై యు ఆర్ అదే అనుకుంటున్నా. ఐ ఫీల్ లైక్ దాట్, బట్ ఐ డోంట్ నో. ఎందుకంటే ప్యాషనేట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఎవరు కనిపించట్లేదు నాన్న మీ క్లాస్ లో. I was trying to find few people, at least 5 or 10 members అన్న ఉంటే I can do something, అంటే వండర్స్ క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చు. బట్ అది చేద్దామంటే ఎవరు కూడా ఒక 10 members ప్యాషన్ ఉన్నటువంటి అంటే వాళ్ళు కనిపించదు. That's what I feel it. Okay, and this is a long answer 20 marks question. Again one more question. Okay, so showing your time independent wave equation. Okay, and this is the long answer question. They are also asking it. So they may ask 2 long answers from this chapter too. They may ask 2 long answers from this question. 2 you'll get it. Be careful. They may ask counter, they may ask photoelectric, they may ask Schrodinger. So out of these 3 or 4 questions, you will see that 2 questions 4 marks, 2 to 3 questions long answers. See how many marks you're gonna score. Very easy. Schrodinger time independent. What is the meaning of Schrodinger is a scientist's name? Time independent means the equation does not have the time. So wave equation means any wave can be represented by the sign. Okay, any wave can be represented by psi. Psi is the wave function, or it's a wave vector అని కూడా అంటారు. Okay. So we are working now 1D. అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? The wave function can be 2D, 1D or 3D. మీరు పీజీలోకి వెళ్తే you gonna work on this. But now since you are in the graduation, undergraduate level, 1D is enough for you. So 1D means one direction, one dimensional, right? So in one dimensional wave function of wave associated or moving particle is represented this. Wow, sorry, sir, feeling like a mathematics equation. Yes, beta, this is the compulsory question for competitive exams as well as your like regular semester. What is the meaning of this? X is the position, T is the time. At that particular point, at that particular time of this particular wave function. That is indicated by a e power minus I by h cross et minus px. You have to keep in mind this. You have to remember this. You have to remember this. If t is equal to 0, this becomes 0. This becomes 0. So minus into minus plus we're gonna get a for 2 pi I by lambda x. Sorry, like sir, we didn't see, feeling like different thing, right? So how it turn into this? Of course, minus into minus plus, right? H cross h cut I mentioned h by 2 pi beta. So when you substitute here, when you substitute here, a e power minus I by h by 2 pi px is minus minus plus. So what we're gonna get it? E 2 pi x 2 pi 2 px 2 p I, right, h. But px is what, beta? Px is equal to h by p, h by lambda. Px is equal to h by lambda, beta. You just substitute here h by lambda. H cancel, a e power 2 pi I by lambda. Is it clear, beta, how we got it? Sir. అంజప్ప అర్థమైందా ఇది?
అర్థమైంది.
నో సార్.
ఇది ఎలా వచ్చింది అనేది ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఏం చేస్తా? సబ్స్టిట్యూట్. అప్పుడు ఏమైతే చెప్పండి? ఏ e power minus I by h cross minus px. Is it clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Then here what I am substituting is px is equal to h by lambda. ఇది డి బ్రోగ్లీ ఈక్వేషన్. మనకు డి బ్రోగ్లీ ప్రకారంగా h by mv బెటా ఆర్ h by p x లలో రాస్తే px is equal to h by lambda. అవునా? Yes?
Yes, sir.
So you substitute the px as this. And h cross అనేది we already mentioned that h by 2 pi. So after substituting this, a e power minus I by h by 2 pi. So I'm gonna write 2 pi here. into minus px is what? H by lambda. So h's cancel, right? Can we cancel h cancel? Yeah. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Minus into minus plus, right? E power 2 pi I. Where is x actually? X px beta. There is a px is there. P. Oh, sorry. It's not x component beta. It's a px only. The equation itself it has et minus px. Sorry, it's a x also there. Not x x component here. We are sorry. This is just p. I mean, you can write it, but that only p is equal to h by lambda. So you are substituting p h by lambda. X is there. So in that case, what happened? 2 pi x by lambda. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Is it okay? Can I proceed further?
Yes, sir.
నోట్బుక్ లో రాసుకుంటున్నారు బిడ్డ. నేను చెప్తూ పోవడం కంటే కూడా ఇలాంటివి కొన్ని డైరెక్ట్ స్టెప్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకేనా? So here you just need to write it. Psi is the wave amplitude for a given x. A is the maximum amplitude. Lambda is the wave. Okay? From one equation, ఇది మనకు దీని డెరివేటివ్ చేయాలి బిడ్డ. 2 times డెరివేటివ్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుందో రాయాలి. డైరెక్ట్ స్టెప్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ మీకు. I'm gonna explain. Can I erase first this? Yes, better. మనోజ్, దీన్ని మనం ఎరేజ్ చేయనా?
Yes, sir.
స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి అన్న అవసరం. సో ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇది ప్రూవ్ చేయాలన్నమాట. ఐ హావ్ టు ప్రూవ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ టైమ్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ వేవ్ ఈక్వేషన్. ఇది ఎలా వస్తుంది అనేది క్వశ్చన్. ఫస్ట్ వాట్ ఐ హావ్ టు డూ ద ఫస్ట్ డెరివేటివ్ d psi by dx beta. d psi by first derivative or dou రాయొచ్చు d రాయొచ్చు, doesn't matter, the partial derivative. dou psi by dou x. So ఏమవుతుంది అప్పుడు? a is there, e power x derivative how much? e power x. Very good. Can I write this is actually some a x? Okay. So a is a constant. I'm just keeping. I is there still. 2 pi by lambda. I will keep it as a, not a actually, not a. What I can do? 2 pi by k. I'll write it. K I x. So I'm writing k. 2 pi by lambda is k. So a power x, c power x. Then into I have to do this constant, right? K I, right? Is it correct whatever I did it here? First derivative, you have to do the derivative of a constant is e power x, but here x is not there, right? The constant comes here, right?
Yes, sir.
Then if I go for dou square psi by dou x square, the second derivative, again I want to do it, right? If I want to do it again, what happened? A is there, right? And e power x k I x again it's going to be ki into ki, right? So that is going to be a k square e power ki x. I into I how much? Minus, right? I square.
-1.
Right.
-1.
So I got now minus, okay, minus k square. K is how much here? 2 pi by lambda. If I square it, what happened? Tell me. 4 pi square by lambda square, right? And a e power kix is psi. Can I write it that? this can be written as what? A e power I kx value kada idi. So that is again I am writing as a psi, right? Is it clear, Nana? ఇది మొత్తం కలిపి ఏం రాయొచ్చు? This one and this one. A e power k I x is equal to psi. Is it clear? I mean, this
Yes,
is the function. Psi is the function of x t is equal to 0. In general, we are writing just simple psi. So I'm writing psi. So the final equation we got it this one. 12 marks kadite ivanni steps raayali beta nenu direct raasanu. Okay na? My 20 marks. If they ask 20 marks, you have to write down all these steps. Did you write it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How about others? Manoj, Jappa. ఇవన్నీ కూడా డైరెక్ట్ బిట్స్ వస్తాయి అన్న కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఎంఎస్సి లో ఇట్లా. వాట్ ఈస్ ద వేవ్ ఫంక్షన్ రిప్రజెంట్? వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్క్వేర్ ఆఫ్ ది వేవ్ ఫంక్షన్ రిప్రజెంట్? ప్రాబబిలిటీ డెన్సిటీ ఫంక్షన్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద psi? Psi is the wave function. All these sort of questions directly appear in the competitive exams. JAMA, SC, SATs. So can I close now? I'm going to close it.
Yes, sir.
So then what I can do it? Lambda is already, we know this, right? 1 by lambda square, 1 by lambda is equal to what, Nana? M naught V by H. Can I write like this? Can I write it this way? 1 by lambda. Reverse it. Okay?
Okay, sir.
అంతేనా? ఇది తెలుసుగా లాంబ్డా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ h by mv అని చెప్పినే కదా. p or h by mv. v naught m naught అంటే రెస్ట్ మాస్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్. m naught పెట్టాలి. So it's a de Broglie equation, right? h by p or h by mv. 1 by lambda, I want to calculate that 1 by lambda square because the previous equation, whatever we got it, 1 by lambda square value we need it. So if I square it, what happen? M naught square beta v square h square. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So that's good. So then multiply and divide by 2. This multiply and divide by 2. Then what happened? Here 2 is there, 1 by 2 mv square. So this is a kinetic energy, right? Can I say this is a kinetic energy equation?
Yes, sir. Half
Yeah.
MV.
1 by lambda square equal to, I am writing 2 m naught. This is actually k by h square. So what is the value now? 1 by lambda square is equal to 2 m naught k by h square. Right? Yes? Is it clear? So where k is the kinetic energy of the non-relativistic case, but suppose E is the total energy for a particle, V is the potential energy. Then what happened? Tell me, k becomes what, Nana? K becomes this. The total energy, kinetic energy, total energy minus potential energy. Is it clear? If you are looking kinetic energy, what you have to do better? Total energy E anukunte, potential energy V anukunte, you are, that is what you're going to get it, right? Or E is equal to k plus V. If you want to k, E minus V. Antena? Can I write like this? Just give your response, Nana. I feel like my voice is getting like, so, tired. డౌట్ ఉంటే లేదు సార్ ఎలా అని చెప్పమ్మా, చెప్పండి. శైలజ, నరసింహ,
Sir.
ఓకేనా?
Sir, repeat again, sir.
ఇక్కడ వేర్ ఇక్కడ చెప్తే నేను ఏమని చెప్తున్నా ఇక్కడ రా తెలుసా ఇప్పుడు
Okay, sir.
ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి మనం 1/λ² వాల్యూ వి డోంట్ నో రైట్
Yes, sir.
1/λ² value. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Could we find better lambda? 1/λ² is equal to lambda is equal to h by p. Is it? Do you know that? Avana?
Yes, sir.
Lambda is equal to h by m naught. Avana? So 1/λ how much better?
H by.
Reverse
Sir,
it, right?
M naught square.
Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Just reverse it to 1 by inverse chase. Okay, now is it okay?
Okay, sir.
1/λ², what happened? Tell me. M naught square, V
P
square,
square by
H
H square.
right? So multiply 2, then divide 2 here. Within the numerator, multiply 2, denominator, divide by 2 within the numerator only. Then what happened? Tell me. 2. Okay. M naught 1/2 M naught V square by H square. Can I write like this? Here 2 is there. M square I am writing 1 M naught here, 1 M naught here. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
So this is going to be what I have to write now? Kinetic energy, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So then that is going to be what happened na M naught K by H square, right?
Yes, sir.
But here total energy, if total energy is E, that should be equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy, right? In general, total energy must be equal to kinetic plus potential, right?
Yes, sir.
If I want to K, what should I write better? E minus V, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Then what is going to be, tell me Nana? 1/λ² is equal to 2 M naught by X square E minus V, right? So substitute here. What happened? 1/λ² wherever 4 pi square into this, right? 1/λ² value is substituted. So then it means here you have to multiply. Minus is outside, 4 pi square is there, right? Then 2 M naught by H square E minus V into side. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts, but all of you, can I close it? Can I clear this slide? Yeah?
Clear, sir.
Okay, great. So this slide is over right now. Up to here, okay, right?
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు ఇందాక చేసింది ఇది నాన్న, దాన్ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి ఇందాక ఇది వచ్చింది కదా, ఇది క్లియరా?
Yes, sir.
దీని సైడ్ తీసుకొస్తే what happen when you bring it to left side? It's going to be plus, right? There is something mistakes అనిపిస్తుంది నాకేమో. Can we recheck the previous? So 1/λ² is this. So we have to substitute this. Where we have to substitute, Nana? Rho square side by dou x square minus 1/λ². What was the actual numerator, beta? this one. Rho square by rho minus 4 pi square by. So what I'm gonna take is so what I'm gonna get it here, rho square psi by rho x square is equal to minus 4 pi square by what was actually lambda square. This was actually equation, right? Then we need to substitute 1 by lambda square value. Then minus 4 pi square. What was the 1 by lambda square value? One by lambda square, how much we got it?
2m0
2m0
h square
huh?
by h square
I
by h square, sir.
by h square
Divided by
e minus
into v.
into v. Okay, there is psi also there, right? Psi. This psi is all as it is there.
Yes, sir.
So now what I can do here? Okay, but this is going to be, yeah, I got it. So h cross is how much better? H by 2 pi, right? If I want to convert into h cut again, h cross 2 pi, right? H cross equal h by 2 pi. I want to convert this again into h cross. So h cross by h by 2 pi. H is equal to h cross 2 pi into, right? So I want to square it. H cross square into 4 pi square, right? So substitute it. Here you can instead of this you substitute it. H cross square 4 pi square. 4 pi square cancel, right?
Yes, sir.
So what left here is this one. What left is here is actually 8 pi square, but we are turning this into the h cross, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Dou square pi by dou x square plus 2m naught by h cross square e minus v. This is the long answer. 20 marks are over. This is the time independent equation, steady state Schrodinger equation. Time independent Schrodinger equation angane meeku gurtu ravaledi. Dou square psi by dou x square plus 2m0 by h cross square e minus v psi equal to 0. If you want to write down 3D, one is x term, y term, z term. This term is as is equal to 0. So this is what 20 marks now. ఇలా కూడా రాయొచ్చు. అంటే ఏ అసలు అంటే మనకు ఇది మొత్తం ఏం రాయొచ్చు బెట్ట. అంటే ఒకవేళ డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయితే జాయిన్ అవ్వండి బెట్ట మళ్ళీ. ఓకేనా?